Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to pin a conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the new web update on your PC. This feature makes it easy to keep your most important chats at the top so you can access them quickly without scrolling through your message list. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, select Messages. This will take you straight to your inbox where all your recent conversations are displayed. Now, find the chat you want to pin. Hover your mouse over that conversation and you'll see 3 dots appear on the right side of the chat box. Those 3 dots let you manage different chat options. Click on them and a small drop-down menu will pop up. From the list of options, select Pin Conversation. Once you click that, the chat will immediately move to the top of your message list. You'll also notice a small pin icon next to it showing that it's now pinned. That means no matter how many new messages you receive, this pinned conversation will always stay at the top for easy access. You can pin multiple chats if you like, and when you no longer need one at the top, you can simply unpin it using the same steps. Just hover over the pinned chat, click the 3 dots again, and choose Unpin Conversation. It's quick, simple, and helps you stay organized, especially if you message several people frequently. This new update makes managing your conversations on X much more efficient. Whether you're chatting with friends, customers, or team members, you can keep your most active conversations front and center without any hassle. And that's all it takes to pin a conversation on X Web using your PC. If you found these steps helpful, be sure to explore more features in the new X message interface. They're designed to save time and keep your chats flowing smoothly.